Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've just decided, guys, a few months ago to create my YouTube channel because I want to show you guys how pro traders are actually working, what kind of tools and techniques we can use to build up our view and to take our positions. So if you want to know about all this stuff and how to do it yourself, you guys are in the right place. So in today's video, I want to make an update on Fubotv. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's start on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame are the best time frame to use, guys, because they are the most used by the most traders, and these are the time frames where you're gonna find the best reactions. So let me sum up quickly what is the situation here, right? It looks bearish, right? I'm bullish. I'm bullish, guys, and I'm gonna explain why. So very quickly, I was bearish for the past month and I turned bullish recently because we reached my target. How did I find my target? I just tried to find the level where I had the best reactions in the past. So, you know, it was a bit messy. I was turning 23, 21, 20. All right, I put 21.5. Now, I have my support level. First thing, we just did minus 7% on the 7th of April. Did I turn bearish? No. Why? Because two reasons. First reason, my support level is holding. For my support level to be broken, I need to have 2 consecutive candles that are trading below on the daily time frame, guys. Very important. This is on the daily time frame. And you can see here I have one trading below. All right. Second one is above. Below on the 5th of April, above. Below on the 7th of April. Let's see what is the 8th of April showing us. But I'm pretty convinced it's going to be above. This, once again, is a bit approximative because, as I said, I could put 21.5, I could put 20, all right. So we need to go on a shorter time frame to get more precise levels. So let's do it. And here we can find, guys, something very interesting that I like to trade that is reacting very well is descending triangle. So what is a descending triangle? It's a triangle that you obtain. So here it's like this on the hourly time frame by connecting a horizontal basis with a downward sloping trend line. So here I have one maximum level, then a second one. So I have enough to make my trend line, and oh, look what I have. I have a reactions here, guys. So this is showing me that this trend line is used by other traders and that is going to react in a bullish way if we break it on the upside. Same thing on the downside, I have my horizontal basis. So what we are looking for, guys, is a breakout on the upside of this downward sloping trend line, of this descending triangle pattern. Once again, if we have on the 4 hours, let's go on the 4 hours, it's better, like I said. I mean, I use the 1 hour, but guys, if you're not pro traders, stay on the 4 hours time frame, it's easier. The 1 hour time frame is gonna just, mess up your mind. Here, I do the same thing on the 4 hours time frame, so my triangle is the same. If we see 2 consecutive candles trending below the 20.7, now we have a precise level. Here on the daily time frame, my level is approximative. Actually, this is the level, guys, all right? So I can put it at 20.5. But whatever, it's not very important. All right. So if we have here 2 consecutive candles on the 4 hours time frame trading below, guys, watch out. Maybe something is up, especially if volumes start to kick off. What I expect is something like this. So I expect we stay in this triangle and that suddenly, bam, we break it. Then maybe we retest. We go here, and then we break this. So I'm going to come back to this. But first thing, one other indicator that is giving me bullish signals, guys, is the MACD. So the MACD signal is the red bar here, is negative, all right? And the MACD signal is given by the MACD, the difference between the MACD and the 9-day exponential moving average of the MACD itself. So it's the difference between the blue line and the orange line that you can see here. And guys, when we have this consolidation pattern here, this small descending triangle, the blue line you can see is not going lower anymore. So the MACD is an average. So it's going to start to be like this. And the exponential moving average of the MACD itself is going to be slower. So here we're going to have this inversion. All right. So I expect to have positive signal on the MACD on the 9th or 10th, 12th of April, maybe Monday, it's going to turn green for sure if we don't break the 20.7. So if we just stay in this area. This is why, guys, the time horizon of your analysis is very important to hear. Just by doing nothing, we are turning bullish. The bearish momentum is slightly getting out of the market, all right? Bears lose faith, all right? Bulls gain confidence. And this process takes a bit of time. That's why I told you guys that here I was bearish because, you know, bears were in control. Bulls got destroyed in the second move down. I was bearish here, guys, because the bearish momentum was too strong. Here, the bearish momentum given by the MACD is actually shifting. And this signal is going to be used by a lot of investors that when they see a positive MACD on the daily time frame, they start to buy shares, and they are right to do so. And this is going to happen, all right? This is not something I think. This is a fact. If we don't break the 20.7 level, I give you my very precise scenario right now, and let's see if I'm correct. What's gonna happen, guys, is that until the 12th of April, we keep consolidating. Maybe until the 9th of April. This I can't be sure, but maximum until the 12th of April. Then the MACD is gonna turn green. Then buyers are gonna step in the game. We're gonna break this descending triangle on the short term. So we're gonna have a bullish day, you know, something like plus 10, plus 20%. Around 9th, 12th, 13th of April, then you take a step back. And guys, this, what is happening here is happening here as well. So it's going to be the same thing, all right? Until the 10th of May, where the weekly MACD, okay, we don't see the weekly MACD very well. You see the weekly MACD is still negative, but when we're going to arrive here, guys, the weekly MACD is going to react the same way the daily MACD is acting now. So it's going to be the same phenomenon, creating the same consequences, which is bullish flows coming into this market. Technical analysis is about reading the flows, about anticipating them, about understanding who is doing what, for what reason. And I can tell you that here, some investors are going to buy Fubotv very soon. I think that around the 10th of May, we're going to have the huge breakout you guys are waiting for. So let's see if this is happening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I see you guys.